Hello everyone, it's Mrs. Morell. I'm back with a new video. Today we're going to read a book called Our Sun. I want you to think about what we learned at school about our sun. What do you know about the sun? Say it out loud. I know. Okay, let's look at some vocabulary. You already know some of these words from our work at school. The first vocabulary word is energy. Say energy. Good. Energy is power. Look at the picture here. Next word, hail. Say hail. Hail is little bits of frozen ice that fall from a cloud. What is that word in your native language? Okay, good. Next word, humans. Say humans. People. Humans. Next, we did this word in class. Liquid. Say liquid. And solid. Say solid. So we have liquid water here, solid ice here. The last word to know is weather. Say weather. Sunny, partly sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, storms. All of this is weather. Just to remind you, like we learned in class, we have solid, liquid, and gas. Water can be a solid as ice, a liquid as water, or a gas as water vapor. Now, a new word for you. Without. Say without. In Spanish, sin. In English, without. Also, would be. In Spanish, sería. In English, would be. Say would be. In our book today, you're going to see this sentence. Without blank, I would be blank. So for example, without my family, I would be sad. Think of something, if you did not have it, if you were without it, how would you feel? Think and say a sentence using without, I would be. Okay, good. So as we read today, I want you to think, why is the sun important to life on Earth? Read that with me. Why is the sun important to life on Earth? Think about that while we read. Let's start our book. Our sun. Here is the table of contents. You can find the different parts of the book here. Read this page to yourself. Let's read it together. What is the sun? The sun is a star. A star is a large ball of gas that gives off energy. The sun is the closest star to Earth. Let's look at the caption under the picture. The sun is the closest star to Earth, but it is still very far away. Remember at school, we learned close or near and far. Close and far. So, what is the sun? Answer this question by saying, the sun is. I'll go back to the book so you can answer by saying, the sun is. Okay, let's keep reading. Oh, and I'm sorry, you could say, the sun is a star. The sun is made of gas. The sun is the closest star to Earth. Those are all correct, and those all came here from the text. Read this page to yourself. Let's read it together. The sun's energy. We can feel the sun's energy as heat. We learned this word in school, heat, hot, heat. We can see the sun's energy as light. Without heat and light, there would be no life on Earth. Think about what you just read. How do we see the energy of the sun? Think about that. Say, we see the energy of the sun when? We see the energy of the sun when? How do we see the energy of the sun? Think and answer. I found it in the text. We can see the sun's energy as light. So I could say, we see the energy of the sun when we see the sunlight. Next question. How do we feel the energy of the sun? Think and answer. We feel the energy of the sun when here in the text I see we can feel the sun's energy as heat. So I could say, We feel the energy of the sun when we feel the heat. Let's look at the caption under the picture. Look here and read to yourself. We can see and feel the sun's energy even on a cloudy day. This is cloudy, a cloudy day. So I want you to think so far from what we have read. Why is the sun important to life on Earth? Think and say out loud, the sun is important to life on Earth because. You could say, the sun is important to life on Earth because it gives us light. The sun is important to life on Earth because it gives us heat. Those are both reasons why the sun is important to life on Earth. Great work today. Thank you for reading with me. Check back tomorrow and we will read the rest of the book together to learn more ways that the sun is important to life on Earth. Stay safe, keep reading, and I miss you. Bye.